Hi everybody, Mike with Get Wireless, your Peplink guy. And today I'm going to unbox the MAX Adapter. So this is one of the newest devices that Peplink came out with so far. And as you can see, the box is really small and really compact. I really like this design. So the first thing I can do is that when I take off the lid, you can see that I have the little MAX adapter right there. I'm just going to pull it out, and this is it. I have my USB port right there for power and connectivity. I have my dual SIM slot right there, so I can put multiple SIMs, either of the same carrier or of different carriers. And then here I have these little covers that I'm going to pull off, and these are your covers for your antenna. So I have my 2 cellular, and then I also have my GPS. And that's pretty much the device. So if I set that down, I'm going to pull the rest of the box out over here. And then inside I got some more stuff. So I got my SIM door ejector tool. And then I have this right here for the antennas. So I have my 2 cellular antennas. And I'm going to set that over here. And then the other thing I got in this device is my power cable. So it's kind of nice. You can tell it's USB Type-C. This end goes to the device because I can lock it into the device, which is pretty cool. So if you're going to put this into a vehicle and tie it to your PC, this will lock it into the device so it doesn't wiggle out. And then the other handy dandy tool I have is my USB adapter from my USB Type-C to my USB Type-A. So all of this is included into the box. You pair this with Peplink's Connection Manager and you have a personal hotspot device. The other use case for this device is if you want to use it for out-of-band management or as a second cellular connection into like a balance router or any of the MAX routers that have a USB port. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to your regional sales executive or your regional sales representative for more questions. If you want to see a demo of this and how it works with the Connection Manager, please reach out. Thank you very much and have a great day.